This is how we used to train our customers and employees, explaining each product feature one by one and answering the same questions over and over again. Everything was so manual and so slow. We have a great development team and they work so hard to develop great products. But let's face it, our customers only understand a small fraction of our product features. Here's Frank at one of our key customer locations, assembling our product. He's often faced with difficulty, wrong installations, damaged parts, lots of customer frustration. And then we spend even more time trying to understand our product behavior and how to improve our designs. We just can't be everywhere at the same time. Or can we?
Hello, I am Shane and I am everywhere at the same time.
Hello, Shane. How are you today?
Hello, Lisa. I am well and how are you?
Shane is an AI, trained in natural language robotics, and I talk to him like I talk to any employee. I'm fine, thanks. How's our customer training going?
We are doing well. Today I trained 285 customer locations.
That's great, Shane. How many discussions are you having right now?
As you and I speak now, I am also speaking simultaneously with 41 customer locations.
Wow! And how's that going?
Of the 285 locations, I am reporting 39 with customer concerns. I've informed our sales manager. Hello Frank, allow me to assist you with that pin installation.
Thanks, Shane. How's our product design doing at these locations?
I am detecting a 31% difficulty rate with the pin design. Here is an image. I have already informed the R&D team.
It's like having live feedback from our products, wherever they are. Oh, by the way, how's our employee training going?
Right now I am training Michael and Peter on the process equipment. I will be testing them on Monday.
Great! And when can I expect your product intelligence report?
How about right now, reading customer and employee training records, writing report?
Within seconds, I have a real-time report in natural language, written entirely by Shane, that explains every aspect of our product training and design performance.
Done. My report is complete.
Shane, we're getting a lot of sales inquiries. Can you assist our sales team?
Sure, Lisa, I can explain product features, quotes, and contract details. I can create any customized application for you.
Great. Thanks, Shane. Now our team has much more time to focus on innovative work instead of tedious tasks.
Talk to me today for a free trial, smiley face.